Hi, this is just a video to show you how to do multiple audio outputs with separate applications within your computer. You'll see here I have a YouTube tab open in Chrome, and then I have just an MP3 open up here in VLC Media Player. So the idea here is I want to output the sound from the MP3 onto my speakers that are attached, and I want the YouTube video to play through a different device that's also attached to my computer. In this case, it's going to be a TV that's attached. And the way to do that is to go down to your sound icon in the bottom right hand corner and right click on it. And the quick way to get there is just to click Sounds. And once you do that, it'll open a new window. At the top, tab over to Playback, and this is where you're going to see all of your audio devices that you have available. And now I have all of these disabled except for my main output, which happens to be a USB to 3.5 millimeter adapter. And this is what everything is going to come out of by default. So in order to get two different devices, you need to have more than one enabled. So I'm going to enable my 43-inch TV here, and I'm going to right click on that and click Enable. And now it's going to show it as the default communications device. That's not a problem. This is still the default device down at the bottom. You can change that if you want to, but you don't have to do anything there. Next thing to do is to go into Windows settings, which I have pulled up here. The way to get to that is to right click on your sound icon again in the bottom right hand corner and click Open Sound Settings. And when you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and then if you scroll down slightly, this is Windows 10 obviously. If you have something else, this video will not be helpful for you. But in Windows 10, you'll see this option here, Advanced Sound Options, App Volume, and Device Preferences. If you click that, it takes you to this page. At the top, this is the master. This is where everything by default is going to come out of, and you can change this to whatever input you want. Now I have two. I'm going to leave that on headphones. I want my system sounds are going to be on the default all the time, so you can't change those. But if you're using a Jimmy John's computer, those should be disabled anyway, so that you don't have all the annoying sounds coming out over the speakers in the restaurant. And if you don't know how to do that, I can show you. Next thing, Google Chrome, I'm going to want that to play on my speakers. Let's do the TV. So I'll pick the TV for that, and VLC is the other application that I'm using. I'm going to pick this to be the headphones. And now if I play my video,
which probably every video on the internet,
the audio that you're obviously hearing is going to be playing from my TV.
I was ready for the yoke.
So that audio came out of my TV, and now if I play this one, it's coming out of the speakers on the computer itself. It's pretty straightforward. Hopefully this is helpful to you.